September we met, I could tell by your smile. You hadn't been with a good girl like me in a while. Yeah, you were impressed.
This is Sherry from Maven's Makeup Darling with another tutorial of our Moodstruck Crush Lip Powder in Casual, and showing you the versatility of using them for eyeshadow, and you can also use it for your blush as well as your lip color. So I take a little bit of the powder and put it on my hand. Just be careful not to get all over the place. Just dab a little bit. Put it on your eyelids that have already been prepped with primer. It's a good idea for when you're not having a lot of time and you want an eyeshadow color. I tend to go darker on the outer corners of my brow bone. There you have it. Thank you for watching. This is Sherry from Maven.